Alright, coming back at you live from the bedroom. I discovered the issue with the EOS R camera shutting off seemingly randomly and just not being able to turn on. If you watched my previous video, you understand this. I've found out what triggered the problem, and that is removing this 70 to 200 millimeter lens from this third-party JJC adapter causes the camera to like do this weird thing and shut down sometimes. Hopefully you see it in a second. There it is. So sometimes when you pull just this 70 to 200 lens off, this is the second version, it will cause the camera to short out or do something weird, and it just turns off. Even though the battery's in there and the battery's fully charged, the camera's off. As you can see, the screen is not illuminated, and it won't turn on when you flip the switch. So I found that simply simply replacing the adapter, third-party adapter, with the Canon brand EOS R adapter allows the camera to function fine when you take this particular lens off. It doesn't do it with any other lenses, only the 70-200, which is strange. But now I can remove the lens from the adapter as I please and not have any shutdown of the camera that renders it inoperable until I pull the battery out and put it back in to kind of reset it. So it's all in the adapter. I'm happy that I discovered the issue. You want to use the Canon brand adapter rather than this Amazon purchased JJC, among other brands that they offer on Amazon. So I no good vote for that adapter. I think that the issue has something to do with the pins here and how they line up with the pins on this lens in particular. Because when I was disconnecting it, I found that it would just shut the camera off just like that. But with the Canon brand adapter, I'm not having that issue anymore. So do not recommend third-party EOS R to EF adapters. Use the Canon brand, and everything should be fine. So I'll be returning this and just using my Canon one now. They're kind of hard to find right now. They're out of stock in a lot of places, but I found mine on Canon's online store. So maybe you'll have luck there. Thanks.